Welcome back to Klein Electronics. Today we answer your question, what is P.O.C? Basically, P.O.C means push-to-talk over cellular. Using smart devices, you choose a push-to-talk, we call it PTT, application, and that app turns your device into a two-way radio. Some of these include Microsoft Teams, Zello, ES-Chat, and others. From there, you easily design as many groups or individuals as you need, scroll through them, and press a push-to-talk button. So, some device manufacturers are really on board with this concept and added a physical push-to-talk button on the side of their device, like a walkie-talkie has. So you press that button. Manufacturers like Sonam, Samsung, Kyocera, and Cat, as well as some others, all make commercial-grade devices with buttons on them for push-to-talk. Now, you still have to grab the phone and talk into it each time, so to stay nimble, you can add a professional-grade push-to-talk accessory that connects to the phone and remotely controls the push-to-talk with a button. So why use push-to-talk accessories? Simple. One easy push-to-talk button protects your phone from dropping and damages and reduces ambient noise levels. Klein Electronics makes professional-grade smart earpieces, headsets, and microphones, which are available both wired and Bluetooth, all with push-to-talk buttons. In fact, Klein works directly with the design and technical teams of Microsoft, Motorola, Sonam, Samsung, Kyocera, and others to ensure our accessories have the custom firmware and build quality required for a perfect user experience. So when you do contact your distributor, integrator, carrier, or salesperson, make sure you tell them you want only devices and accessories that are approved and certified to work together. Do you have more questions about P.O.C? Contact Klein Electronics today.